So this is a 66 Impala that I found in Virginia back in February. It still has the original tags on it from 66. It's all original, one owner, 70,000. AC car and power steering car, which was rare back then. It was too solid of a car not to pass. I put air ride system, disc brake conversion all the way around, airbags, upper and lower control arms. Redoing the interior back to all original. They're in decent condition for being 66. All original on the motor. It's a really, really clean car for the year. Unmolested, it was never touched. This car came with black steel wheels, and I painted them, I believe it's seafoam green. So the reason I think that this car looks the way it does on the top is because moisture, it was covered in the garage, and I believe moisture got up underneath the tarp or cover of it, and that's why you see the rust on top of the car. There is one bad spot underneath the window seal there, but other than that, it's an extremely solid car. Nothing's been touched on the paint. This car originally sold for $2,600. I paid $2,500 for it.
When do you know when to wash it?
I don't. I wash the wheels.